So here's another example of multiplying a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. 56 has 2 digits, 40 has 2 digits, but you'll notice that we have a 0 in here. And sometimes that can just be sort of a question mark floating out from your brain. So we're going to dig into this and see what happens. So per usual, we'll get ourselves all tidy here. And I might just add in an extra column just in case we end up in the thousands. So over here, we're going to start the same way we always do. We're going to start by multiplying our digit in the ones place value spot, sort of our bottom number. We're going to multiply it by everything above it. So we're going to multiply it by 6. Well, what's 0 times 6? That's 0. And then we're going to multiply it by 5 or 50. What's 0 times 5? Well, that's still 0. So when you have a 0 in the place value, in any place value spot, you treat it the same way as you normally would. You just multiply, right? And you're going to get a very consistent round answer for all of your opportunities. Well, when you move to the next digit, this 4 in the 10 spot, we're going to now multiply 4 by all of the parts of 56. But we have to remember it's not really a 4, it's really a 4D. So we're going to put this 0 down here as a placeholder to remind us this is 4D. So now that we've put that placeholder there, we can just think of it like 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24, right? And we could put this 2 here because it's 24 and then go, oh, but that's really 240. And we have 24 tens, so that means we can sort of do some carrying up, right? So we're going to leave that 4 there and we'll carry up our 2. So we've multiplied 4 times 6. And now we're going to do 4 times 5, or what's next in line, sort of to multiply. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 2 that we carried up. So 20 plus 2 is 22. And I know that I can put this 2 over here in this 1,000 sort of column because there's nothing left to multiply by, right? I could put this 2 up here because this is really a 22. And then I could say, oh, well, this is really a 0 because there's 0 hundreds and 4 tens and 0 ones. But when I multiply right by 0, or I could, sorry, the 0 up here, it's really 0 hundreds, 5, and 56, right? When I multiply here, I discover that this is just still 0, and I add my 2, and my next open spot is this in this column here. So since we didn't have anything left to multiply, you can just sort of slide it right over. And then this becomes easy peasy lemon squeezy to add up because our whole top row is just zeros. So we can just say that 2,240 plus 0 is still 2,240.